Hello guys, JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how does Chime Credit Builder work. So here we are in the Chime website. So this is going to be available in America only, of course. So I cannot do it really. So I'll just show you how it works. So the first one here is moving money. So the first step is to move money from your Credit Builder secured account. It's fast and secure and you can always do it. So there's two ways right here stated in their website. So here, your best option is to move my pay. As you can see right here, you can actually add 500, 250, and $100 and add money whenever you get paid. So basically here, the other one here is second option is to do it manually. Just remember that you'll be responsible for moving money into your Chime checking account, of course. As you can see right here, first add your money. Next is go to here and add your selected amount and make it happen. And then from there, you can spend money anywhere around the world as long as it's Visa. So there's two key benefits of using your credit card builder for everyday purchases. So here, you always know how much you left to spend and avoid outstanding balances. So it can do this automatically by just doing your view transactions right here. And as you can see your credit builder in the Chime. So here you can see they don't report credit utilization, which means you can use the credit builder without contributing to the high utilization rate, okay? So with this credit builder, you can control how much you spend. As you can see right here, there's a target. You have a very good view of how you would spend your credit. So you can also build credit right here. There's two ways to do that here using TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. So there's always ensure on time to be on time with your payments, of course. So why credit builder here? As you can see, there's a $0 annual fee, unlike others like here. Average ABR is no interest at all. Average max late fee is zero. Credit to check to apply is there's none. So basically there's no security deposit requirement too, which is really cool actually. You can use security deposit payments for this, and there's also credit reporting from here, just like other major credit cards. So there goes how that's how it works. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.